Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Elimination method. Now we will learn elimination method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Elimination method is the process of eliminating one of the variables in a system of equations using addition or subtraction in conjunction with multiplication or division and solving the system of equations. This method is sometimes more convenient than the substitution method. Let us see how elimination method works with an example. Using the elimination method, solve the system of equations. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Let us solve these. We have a system of two equations in two variables. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. This is equation 1. And 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. This is equation 2. Multiply equation 1 with 7 and equation 2 with 9. Then, subtracting the resulting equations, we get minus y is equal to minus 4000. By cancelling minus signs, we get y is equal to 4000. Substitute the value of y is equal to 4000 in equation 1. So 9x minus 4 into 4000 is equal to 2000. This implies 9x is equal to 2000 plus 16,000. Which implies 9x is equal to 18,000. Dividing throughout 9, we get x is equal to 2000. So the solution of the equation is x equal to 2000 and y equal to 4000. Let us now note down these steps in the elimination method. Step 1. First, multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. Step 2. Then add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. If you get an equation in one variable, go to step 3. If in step 2, we obtain a true statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. If in step 2, we obtain a false statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has no solution. That is, it is inconsistent. Step 3. Solve the equation in one variable, x or y, so obtained to get its value. Step 4. Substitute this value of x or y in either of the original equations to get the value of the other variable.